Hello everyone. So I'll be replacing the strut for rear. It's a Honda Fit 2010, and I just replaced the left side rear, and it was pretty bad. So right now I'll do the other side. So I'll lose it and remove it just like that, or you can cut it. Here is the new struts, guys. This looks pretty much identical if you compare size and everything. So let's start by removing this part. So I just changed this side, so I'm gonna do it on this side. So let's start with removing this part. Plastic, you can see it's pretty rusty. I'll put some WD-40. Alright, and it's a 14mm, and I'll be using you need a long socket or a wrench. So guys, I successfully removed this one, and here is the nut, very stubborn. Alright, so now I'll put the bushing out. Take out the bushing from here. Bushing is still good. Alright, now we'll go to the bottom and remove these struts. I didn't put the car on jack, so it's pretty much low for me to reach. So pretty much I just need to remove this nut. Push it this way and it came out just like that. So it's definitely a bad struts. So right now we'll remove the bushing and this steel part from here. So guys, after a long try, I was able to take it out. Let me show you. So it's pretty much done. So guys, now I'll be installing my old bushing over this, which is fine. I'm not using my new bushing because the new one came is not the exact same, and this one is still alright to use, I think. If you can jack it, it's better. I just wanted to do it without doing the jack. And this is going to the hole. So guys, I temporarily put it on, and now I'm gonna go down and compress it. is in. Now I'll be using the impact 14mm. It's tight enough, guys, so I'll put the cover back. And the job is complete. It wasn't too difficult, but if you put the car a little up, it's maybe easier, but I did it without putting on jack. And as you can see, here is my struts, looking fine for me. And this is how you can change your struts, guys. Honda Fit 2010. Thank you.